Sir, how are we going to get an average of A, B, C when you have data like this? This is the question. How are we going to get it? How will you normally do? Can somebody answer me? I have got data A, B, C here. All of you are able to see. Can somebody answer me? Normally, how will you do if you want an average of A?
That is automatically we can get it from that column. Auto sum, auto average.
Pardon me, sir?
We can use that auto average. You can see that sigma simple. There we will get it average.
One is average, sir. Average of what? I allowed to give a this one,
No, that in the sigma, first one is average. First one is sum, second one is average.
No, first is sum, second is average.
Yeah.
Now, you want an average of A. How you are supposed to get it? You will have to go and give this to this. Am I right?
Yeah.
And then where is the answer? Let's see. Somewhere you will have to write, you will have to put a column, Let's say this is the average. I want an average here in this. So I go to sigma, I go to average. Then I take all these column. Now when I enter, I will get an average. Right, sir?
Okay, right. Sir.
But every time you will have to select. Am I right?
Yes, definitely.
Suppose you want B, how I am going to do now? I'll have to go here, again go to this, go to average and find out where B is. Then I'll have to go for B and do. Here, if I give A, suppose I make this as C, sir. Let's have a look at it. I'm making it as C. Just watch carefully this particular place. Okay, this is the place where we are going to make the changes. Am I right, sir?
Okay, sir.
I put a square, red square. This is the place which you are going to change. Now I put it as B now. Just watch what happens. The B average has come?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
I make it as C or I make this second one as A. Now A average comes because you can see A average matches. So how I am going to order this kind of a thing you people will get. How you are going to get it automated. The moment I put only a name, the average of whatever be the figure, wherever it is, it will add up everything and then come with me an average. This is one of the very good function. See, all are common function, but used in conjunction with something else, then you get a very good result. This is a function with average along with the filter, isn't it? When I say A, here the average is arrived at after filtering from this place. After filtering from this place, only A. That is what it is doing. Am I right?
Yeah, correct.
You are able to see, sir?
Yes, sir.
What it has done. I have taken, this is my data, whatever it is. Now from this, when I say A, it filters A and then it goes adds all the January, February, March of A, arrive at the average and gives me. Good, no?
Yeah, good.
Okay. Let's see how to do it. Just look at the formula, sir. What we have now done, we have B5 to B16. Why B5? B5 is the group. Am I right?
Yeah.
B5 is the group name and the data runs up to
B6.
B5, B16. 1 minute. Let me remove the first column because that is not needed. Now my data is in B5 to B16.
Okay.
Now I will give this a name as group. I will give a name as group. Like we gave a name sort order 1. Am I right, sir? You remember?
Okay. Yeah, I remember.
once you give a name, it is easy to write the formula. Then where is my data? Data is available from C5 to
Where you are named O. Where is O? O is not.
which one, sir?
Name. O.
So the name we are, if you the it is already named this place. If you click here, you will
Okay.
see all the name group.
Yeah.
Data. These are all the names
Yes, sir.
available.
Yeah.
Suppose this is the group. Okay, so it has come. Now data. Where is data? Data is from C5 to E16. Am I right? Because that is the data.
Okay.
This is the range, sir. This is the range for the data. Now, what is the formula I have written? There is a formula of average with a filter. See the formula. Just have a look at the formula. Very good formula. I am doing average. Am I right?
Okay.
Average of the data. Right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Average of the data. But I wanted the filter to be from the group. I want it to be filtered for G5. What is G5, sir? G5 is A. So the formula says, please get me an average of what? Of data. Where is data? C5 to E16. That is the data. But I wanted it to be filtered. Filtered by what? I wanted to filter the group B5 to B16. Please take and then filter it with what? G5. A. So whatever group B5 to B16, please select only those things with matches with whatever I have given in G5 and then arrive at an average of those figures. That is what it is doing, sir. If you want to do it manually, what we are supposed to do, we will go and put a filter here. Am I right?
Yeah.
How we will do, I am explaining. We put a filter. The moment I put a filter, now filter here. Because many times we put a filter, arrive at the figures. It's very, very difficult process to do. Many people do it in a very cumbersome way. So you go to filter, remove everything, you select A. Now you have selected A. Now you go for the average. You select everything, the average will come 43. The average is here, sir. I don't know whether you are able to see.
Yeah.
Look at the average. It is at the bottom. Here it is. Are you able to see?
Yeah.
So, first of all, you will have to manually select A. Now you want B, then you will have to go back, remove A, put B, do it, and then you will have to select. Now you will get an average of 57.83, which is the figure Cooper. 57.83 you will get. But the only thing is, this figure will appear only in your screen. It will not be available in your statement. Whereas you want the figure to come as a statement, otherwise what happens? The figure comes, we take a notebook and then we try to write it down. All those cumbersome process, we will be spending time. Now that we are not going to do 57.58333, so it has become 57.6. So the formula is very simple. Average only, make an average, but filter it. Filter what? Group equal to G5. So the next one is group equal to G6. Next one is group equal to G7. The moment I make this group as A, then I get the same figure. So this is how the filter and average put together we will be able to work. That is what, sir. Any comment on this, please?
Now in this table you have given the data systematically. That is first 4 items A, next 4 items B.
No, sir. We will change the data, no? B.
Random, if it is random.
चलेगा, तो change हो गया sir. It has become changed already.
Okay,
I
okay.
can see, just see the figure.
Yeah. Even then it's okay.
See, it doesn't want sort order here. That is what I am demonstrating. You make it as C here again. Now just see the C changes, B changes, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
So it simply filters. In a filter, you need not have a sort order, no?
Okay.
It filters and then it does the job.
Okay.
So these are all the things which gives you a head start by you spending lesser and lesser time in the organization or on your consultancy work. So I thought I will concentrate on these areas so that people will be benefited. That is the idea.
Okay. Correct, sir.
Any comment?
No comments. Okay, sir. Fine. Excellent.
So I'll stop this recording.